Okay, here's the donor engine. It's 4 horsepower, so I'm going to take it off this old lawnmower beast and put it onto the rototiller. So, let's get started. Okay, with the 4 bolts removed, now we'll remove the engine. Okay, so now I'm ready to mount the donor engine, if you call it. The 4 horsepower, there was a 3 horse on here, but it was pretty sad. So this one is a 4 horse. Came off that little grass mower. So I'm gonna mount this on now. Okay, now, before you fasten it down, I find that it's easier to get the belt on before you put the bolts on. So you want to take your belt back, fit it under the first pulley. Now you want to go around this pulley like this, because that's the tensioner. And then this is where you can tilt the engine. You want to get it around this as well. And then just tilt the engine to fit in there. Like that. Make sure everything lines up. Now this pulley here that's on the engine, there's another pulley on the old engine. I may have to switch it out, but I'm going to bolt it down and try it. This tensioner pulls towards like this to tighten when you pull the handle lever, and that's what makes your tiller go, and then it goes back when it's not being used. So we'll try that and see if that works. First we'll get her bolted down. Okay. Start with the first bolt. Come up from the bottom. Put a lock washer on, as well as the nut. You just want to get them all started, and then slowly tighten them down. There's the old motor that came off the rototiller in the first place. This is a little tiny 3 horse, and it's definitely seen better days. Still runs, but it was missing the cover and the pull rope, so you always had to grab this and wind it around to pull to start it. So I get a little more horsepower out of this 4-horse and maybe use this guy for parts. Okay, so we're going to start it up here. Okay, so without the lever depressed, the tines move, so the belt, I'm guessing, is too tight. So I may have to change the belt to a looser belt, or change the pulley, but it does work, runs good.